Hello friends, this video is about Gram Panchayat property tax. First of all, I'll put out a disclaimer. This information video is not produced by the managing committee or the Gram Panchayat Bhugaon, and it does not reflect any official views. First of all, let us see which law permits the Gram Panchayat to collect taxes from us. The Maharashtra Village Panchayat Act of 1959 authorizes the Gram Panchayat under Section 124 to levy taxes and fees. It levies taxes on buildings and lands, and we shall see how the calculation is done in the next few slides. This is levied from owners or occupiers. That is an important word to note over here. Right now, the owner of the land is the project developer, which is PSCL. The land has not been conveyed to the society. And as a matter of fact, we are living over here by virtue of the fact that we have an agreement to sell and the conditions of that have been fulfilled. That means you have paid the money and the builder has given you the possession. So even though there is nothing on paper to transfer the title to either the society or to you, you are occupying. In other words, you put a lock on the door and you've got a nameplate. So you're an occupier and therefore you are liable to be taxed. The tax rate is based upon a notification issued by the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department. The last notification is dated 31st December 2015, and that is still the basis of calculating our taxes. The tax is calculated on the basis of the capital value of the property, and we shall be taking a look at what exactly that is as it applies to our individual flats. The rates for the property used for commercial and industrial purposes is higher. It's higher by 20% and 25% depending on the nature of use that the property is put to. Let us take a look at the tax rate for the building. Tax rate, as we said, is in two parts, one for the land and one for the building. And since we are a tenant co-partnership housing society, we share the cost of the building depending on our carpet area, and we share the cost of the land depending once again on the carpet area of our tenement. For RCC buildings, the rate specified in that notification, which we saw a few slides earlier, is anywhere between 120 paisa to 200 paisa for every 1000 rupees of capital value of the building or fraction thereof. We shall see how this operates when we do the actual calculation. Coming to the tax rate of the land, this rate is based at the rate of 150 paisa to 500 paisa per 1000 rupees of capital value of the land or fraction thereof. Once again, once you see the calculation, this will be clear. So friends, thank you very much for your attention. And in the next video, we shall see how the calculation works for our Athashri flats. Bye bye.